This is a 2008 Lincoln Navigator. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a power moonroof, driver and passenger cooled seats, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, an air suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, rear audio controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and adjustable pedals. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.